Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. Now my sister's over today and she brought some makeup with her. Somebody was asking me, Emma, what that lovely picture was behind, and it's actually my birthday card from my sister. She designed it and she's working on my logo right now, so watch this space. Now the reason I wanted to do this quick video, it's not my birthday presents, that's coming up next, but my sister was very tempted to get the new Charlotte Tilbury Easy Eye Makeup or Easy Makeup kits. And then she had a look and she was doing a bit of searching online and she decided not to go for it in the end, and she went for an alternative, two alternatives. And I thought these were really worth actually showing you all because they are a brilliant alternative to Charlotte Tilbury's concept. And they're by Nudestix, and she bought two sets. The first one is the Glastonbury edit, right, which is this one in a tin. And what it comes with here is it's got some eyeshadow sticks. It's also got a highlighter stick here. It's got a blush. I'm not that fond of the blush. I'll tell you why in a minute. And it also came with this, oh, it's not that blush that I'm not fond of. Now, no, actually, I think this one came with the other set. I'm just going to double check. Yes, no, that one came with the other set. I'm confusing myself. Right, so that is the Glastonbury kit. Right, and then she also got this kit, which is called the Nude Kit or the Easy Nude Kit or something. Smokey Nude Glow Kit. That's what came with this, and this is the one that I'm not that fond of. The reason being is it's got a bit of, it's got a great brush in the end here. But my sister loves this, but I'm not so keen. It's got sort of blue glitter particles running through it, which I'm not that fond of, but a very nice stick. And then this tin, which has also got a mixture of different items, which is you've got a highlighting wand here, which is really nice and very similar in pigment to the Charlotte Tilbury one. You have got a magnetic lip plush paint, and then you've got 4 eyeshadows here. Now I'm going to go and use this set, right? I'll put the swatches of both up at the end. Now, I think one of the sets was 70 odd pounds. I'll put all the prices below. And the other set was 50 odd pounds. But if you buy it on Beauty Bay using the app, you get 20% off, which is what my sister did. So I'm going to just do a quick makeup look with this kit here, the Smokey Nude kit. And let's see what happens. Okay, so there are 2 eye pencils and 2 lip pencils. I'm sure you could mix and match if you wanted to. But the 2 eye pencils, so you've got one that's a lighter shade that I'm going to put on my mobile lid, and that is called Rustic Grotto. Let's go. Right, I'm going to use that one also to line under my eyes. Use a darker one to line on top. Right, the darker one is called Immortal. And this is more, oh, it's actually got a bit of sparkle in it, but not too much. And it's darker, so I'm going to put that in the socket. Right, I'm going to use this as well as a liner. Now, one thing to remember with these chunky eye pencils is never use them in your waterline. There's probably something on there that says to not do it, but you shouldn't use those in your waterline. Right. So that is the eyeshadow, but it's not done yet because we also have this highlighter here and a lip gloss, but I'm going to put the highlighter and I'm going to use some of that in all the usual places as well as where you would normally put highlighter. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love this highlighter. And I like that the wand is quite slim as well, so you can get it in the right place. Right, and I'm going to put some of this under the brow. And in this inner corner. And then I'm going to dab a little bit on my finger and just dab that in the centre there. I'm going to blend that in a second. I'll do that first. Right, now let's try some of these lip products. Let's see, we've got 2 lip and cheek ones, and I will put them both on and I'll do an ombre lip. So we've got Tay and Fringe. Oh, they are lip and cheek balms. Now I'm going to use Fringe as a bit of a bronzer, because actually this is a really good bronzing shade. It's pink, but you could almost use it as a bronzer. That's really pretty. Now I'm going to put this one on first, the darker one, and then I'm going to put the lighter one on in the centre of my lips so I get an ombre effect. And then this one in the centre. And I'll put a bit of this as well. This one's a bit glowier, just on the apples of my cheeks. And there you have your look. Now, there is one other lip product, which is a lip blush paint. And I'll put a bit of that over there as well, just so that you can see everything all together. That's a really pretty kind of medium pillow talk type shade. Lovely. Now, I'm going to show you this blush. I'm a bit scared of it, but I might put some on. I'll just get it and I'll be right back. Right, the reason I'm a bit scared of it is I'm going to show you. I'm going to just put it on my hand. Can you see that it's got quite strong glitter particles? But you know what? I'm not going anywhere, so let's do it. It's a sort of blush come highlighter. Actually, it doesn't look too bad on. I just didn't like the very big glitter particles in it. So that's my look. I'm not going to bother with eyeliner today because I am not going out. But that is a look using the Nudestix Smokey Nude Glow Kit by Taylor Frankel. And you can get it on eBay. All the details will be below, as well as the Glastonbury kit, which I shall also post below. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. Please stay tuned for the swatches, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Mwah.